Aloha! This is Pro Tip 126 on staying at an all-inclusive resort. All right, so sometimes it's difficult when you're staying at an all-inclusive resort to get chairs by the pool, especially if you don't get up early like myself. So I have a two-part system that I implement. If all the chairs are full, I go to the kiddies pool. And usually there's open chairs by the kiddies pool. Now, if there's not, I have a contingency plan. Now, this plan probably only works if you're a middle-aged man by himself like me. So you go sit down at the kiddies pool and you try to just give off like a creepy vibe. Make a couple comments, like tell the moms, oh, you got some nice looking kids there. And usually that'll clear a spot for you and you can get a open chair still by the kiddies pool. But, oh, look, I see this guy's going to implement my strategy. Oh, no, wait, I think he's an actual pedophile.